Hey you all, Carpetbagger and Anna here, coming to you live from the 2016 Mountain State Fair here in North Carolina. The name is a bit confusing because the mountain is not a state. We're going to ignore that. We're going to have a good time. We have all you can ride passes. We're going to ride some rides. We're going to see some smelly cow butts. We're going to eat disgusting fried food until we vomit all over the place and leave in a disgusting smelly mass of vomit, cow stench. You excited, Anna?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What's in here, Anna? Farmer Bill's Ag Ventures.
Chickens flying through the sky so fancy free.
Look at those chickens. They're cute.
They are cute.
Check out this right here, the stick figure.
Dad,
Here we go, up and away on the sky ride. We look down upon the amazing fair.
it's not as big as the state fair.
Check out that freaky dragon monster right
I
there.
want to get on that thing. Want to get on the coil? I think it's only for kids.
So that tiger over there with his butt in the air. Alright, I'm officially chickening out on the Cyclops. That would give me PTSD and I'd poop my pants. Hey, Mr. Cow. You like hay? Alright, this is where all the farm animals are kept in between competitions. Then late at night, they put them in this battle arena where they all fight for absolute animal supremacy. Aw, some ponies. Hey, ponies.
It's braided.
Why are you so little? Why aren't you big like a horse?
The little pony.
My name is Gunner. It's a pretty intense name, and he does not look like he's living up to it. Which one do you want, Anna? How about this one?
That one. What do you...
Hey, I just wanted you to show him your new tattoo. That tattoo gets you on any ride, anywhere in the country, including Walt Disney World. Anna,
What?
do you like the fair?
No.
All right, let's check out this monstrosity, the X Factory. It's really nice of Marvel to allow the Mountain State Fair to use their intellectual property.
It's difficult. I can't get up.
All right, Anna, are you excited?
Yeah. I'm too short for this ride. No.
Oh, this thing's crushing me. This lap belt is so tight. I cannot feel my toes. You happy?
Dad.
What?
Nothing flies away from me.
Nah.
I'm gonna be watching a horse.
You're mine.
A lot more scary than I thought. Whoa! Oh my god. This is so much fun.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Oh, it like hurts my stomach. Whoa!
All right, we're gonna go into the treacherous Black Forest.
Stairs move.
Check out that gnome right there.
Yeah, the stairs are really cool.
That's Cinderella's castle up there.
I've got cat like
like reflexes? All right, let's see him. Whoa!
Dad, don't kill yourself on me.
What's this? It's like, what? That's like a recipe to bust the back of your head open right there. All right. What other tricks do they got for us? What's that do?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
What's this? I think it's broken. What's the slidey? All right, we've conquered the Black Forest. This ride is called Pirate. It is full of pirates. It's got a giant. Hey there, how's it going? Alright, Anna, what do you think about Pirate?
I have no idea. I haven't been on it yet.
Yeah, me neither. You think it's gonna be awesome?
I've never ridden one of these before.
Yeah, me neither. This will be a new experience. Dancing to fair music.
Oh
yeah, there's a mermaid right there. Oh, this isn't so bad. Nice and easy, relaxing. You don't think this like starts going like crazy high or anything, do you?
Okay, it's getting a little high.
Baby cakes? That's monstrous. All right, Anna, this is your favorite part, right?
Yeah.
All right, we got
That's part of the entire.
we have the racing pigs. Are you excited? Mm-hmm. Yeah, me too.
All you hog callers, gather on around. We lock them and load them, and they come flying out of the starting chute. They're racing for a treat. When they come through this checkered flag, they're racing for cheese doodles. The winners get the cheese doodles, and the losers, they get the crumbs. But they loaded, so let's make some noise, show them you love them, because here we go. Let them go, and they're coming out of the chute. They're going now, number 24 in the lead. What about number 88? He come around to the third turn. Number 24! Now let's see. You got the wrong one after you this time. Yeah, you better get in that tree. Let them go, and they're coming out of the chute. There goes number 88 in the lead. What about number 5 in the rear? And they're coming down the track. And then down to the third turn. He coming around. Number 88 is your winner! A beat. Can anybody say Aflac? Let them go, and they're coming out of the chute. There goes number 24 in the lead. There goes number
awesome.
Nice.
The haunted farm. Oh, thank you. Nice. Hey, Annabelle, this looks like fun. All right, me and Anna are getting a little hungry, looking at our dinner options. So let's see what we got here.
Deep fried Twinkies, hot dogs.
Deep fried Twinkies, deep fried cheesecake, deep fried Reese's, deep fried chocolate chip cookies,
Wait, corn dogs are already on stick.
steak and cheese fries, deep fried Oreos. I was hoping they just had a nice salad. All right, we have a true country fair dinner sitting before us. What do you got there, Anna?
A bloomin' onion.
Look at that.
I found the hair in it earlier.
A hair-filled, fried, blooming giant onion, bigger than your actual head, which is nice. Me, I got this fried Twinkie.
But she's gonna share with me and that burger.
And this glorious Krispy Kreme cheeseburger. Oh, look at that glorious thing. All right, this is gonna be disgusting. Watch this. No words.
I want this.
All right, what do you think, Anna? Krispy Kreme burger. Is it delicious? Love it?
I want one for me.
Enjoying that fried Twinkie, Anna?
So good. What?
You like that? Yeah,
So good. Everything is good.
we like to promote healthy eating in our household. Annabelle, finish that onion.
I can't.
We're not leaving the fair until the whole thing's finished.
I've done homework.
No homework tonight until you finish your onion. So now that our bellies are full of fried, disgusting food and donut burgers, there's only one thing to do. Ride the Himalaya. Check out the glowing-eyed Yeti up there. It's so awesome. Actually, on second thought, looking at the line for the Himalaya looks quite imposing, and I lost my fast pass. Check out this. A genuine ball of death.
We are the Moto Maniacs. You are about to go on a crazy ride and experience it all with two-wheel, high-speed, low-power vehicles as they get barbaric. The combination of a maniac riding a motorcycle could be something so crazy and so dangerous that at times you might have to cover your eyes because you won't be able to take in all the madness.
All the way around, let them hear you.
Annabelle, would you stand inside a circle of death?
No!
Check out this. A giant clown head. Oh my gooseness. All right.
That's me. That's me as well. I just watch the people.
So you just gotta look and see where all the disgusting fingerprints are.
Yeah, that's really easy.
All right. All right, now I believe we're climbing up into the clown's mind. Everyone down all at once. Going right after you, so you better get out of the way. There's a bar like right at neck height. Ah.